Hello, everyone! Did you know that millions of people around the world are experiencing the softness of merino wool, a highly regarded material globally? But have you ever wondered how this fantastic product is created? Explore how they shear the wool from over 78 million sheep in Australia. Immerse yourself in the fascinating world of merino wool production in the fleece factories. Every year, sheep around the world produce 2 to 3 million tons of wool, a material with outstanding properties. Wool is not only one of the most popular fabric choices globally, but it's also a symbol of softness and delicate curls. Not only does wool have wrinkle-resistant properties, but it also maintains its shape well, possesses excellent moisture absorption, and insulation capabilities. These characteristics make wool an ideal material for high-end fashion products such as sweaters and coats. With its natural resistance to odors and dirt, wool is easy to clean. Wool from sheep has been produced for centuries. Historians believe that humans began domesticating sheep for wool usage around 10,000 years ago. In 1797, England transferred 13 sheep to Australia, marking the beginning of the world's largest wool industry. Today, sheep shearing in Australia has been taking place since the early 19th century, when everything was done manually with shears and the strong sweat of Australian shearers. Today, they're assisted by electric machines, with over 78 million sheep in Australia requiring about 350 million kilograms of wool to fall on the floor of the shearing shed every year. This is a lengthy and delicate process. It begins with the production of raw materials, namely the breeding and management of sheep in cold weather conditions. The sheep's wool grows rapidly and becomes thicker. The process of collecting wool from sheep continues with shearing, often performed by the shepherds themselves. However, on large farms, there's usually a specialized team for this task. Having knowledge and mastering the techniques is important to carry out the job efficiently and quickly without compromising the health of the animals. Fleece can also be quite hot, as you can imagine if you've ever worn a sweater in the summer. Therefore, shearing is an extremely necessary activity to prepare the sheep to cope with the hot summer weather. Shearing sheep is a labor-intensive task that demands skill. Sheep are usually sheared using electric clippers, similar to the ones you see at a hair salon. A skilled shearer will create a work of art, delicately cutting the entire fleece of the sheep without causing harm, completing the job in just about 2 minutes. With just an electric shearing machine, the head has a wide 96 mm comb finished with a sharp movable blade, resembling a hair grooming tool but with a crucial difference. The sheep shearing machine is powered by a robust motor connected by a tube to the handle. This design makes the handle lightweight and not hot to the touch, but with 18 sheets per hour, the blade will quickly become blunt. To solve this problem, it's necessary to use a handheld blade sharpener and conduct regular inspections. Most importantly, the shearing process must be gentle, with the goal of cutting as close and tight to the skin as possible to remove the entire fleece as a single layer, called the cloth. On each sheep, there are several reasons why we need to pay attention to the sheep's skin. Firstly, shearing can cause unnecessary pain to the animal, which farmers aim to avoid. Secondly, wounds on the animal can inhibit the future growth of wool. Thirdly, this slows down the shearing process, creating a less efficient procedure. After the wool is sheared, sheep are supplemented with various nutrients in their diet to ensure their health and promote the growth of their next coat. This directly contributes to the nutritional status and overall well-being of the sheep. Do you know how many sheep's wool a farmer can shear in a day? On a good day, an average shearer can shear wool from 140 to 160 sheep, with skilled individuals shearing between 160 to 200. They rely on a special harness attached to the shed ceiling to lean a part of their body down, allowing them to extend their working time to about 2 hours. Each sheep can produce from 1 to 3 pounds of thin wool and 2 to 3 pounds of thick wool. This depends on the specific characteristics of the coat. After obtaining wool from the sheep, the process of sorting and classifying takes place. Once the shearer completes shearing a sheep, the wool collection team begins their task, focusing on gathering and preparing the wool for shipment. To classify unwanted dead skin and short wool segments, workers apply specialized measures during the sorting process. Would you like to explore the details of their wool sorting process? A commonly applied solution is to place the wool with the underside facing up on a specially designed table with wooden slats about 4 centimeters wide. The spacing between the slats helps minimize waste falling to the floor as sheep wool much as possible while still keeping the edges of the wool containing minimal dust and sweat. Don't forget to grab a cup of tea to stay refreshed, and leave a comment number 1 to let me know you're still following along with this video. After being sorted, wool may contain dirt, natural oils, and other pollutants that need to be removed for clean wool before the dyeing process. Workers move the wool through a cleaning production line to ensure the final material is pristine before entering the dyeing stage. Factories receive around 8,000 pounds of freshly sheared wool from all over the world every day, and the wool is compressed before being delivered to the factory. The quality of wool is primarily determined by the fineness of the fibers. Finer and softer fibers are often of higher quality and are used to produce premium products like merino wool clothing. Thick fibers may be utilized for coarser applications and industrial purposes, such as carpet manufacturing. Right from the beginning, when a new batch of wool arrives, the first process that workers undertake is the dyeing process. They use one of the thousands of different shades available to create innovative wool fibers during fabric production. Workers load 150 pounds of fabric into a 1-1/2 long steel basket, where this hydraulic press machine utilizes pressure and water to compress it. Compressing the wool helps them dye larger quantities at once. A fast spinning cycle removes most of the water, but the recently dyed wool remains quite damp. Therefore, it is transferred to a dryer, a massive microwave oven used to eliminate the remaining moisture from the wool. As the wool is heated in the microwave, the water evaporates and is sucked out by an internal vacuum system. To become yarn, it needs to be drafted, and this occurs in the spinning machine. The wool passes through over 100 different sized rollers, essentially like making hair. Each roller of the spinning machine is covered with thousands of small metal wires. Would you like to explore the process of producing woolen products from sheep's wool? Leave a comment, and don't forget to check out our latest video on our channel for a more detailed look. Let's embark on this adventure together, where patience and dedication will be rewarded with sweet and delightful bananas. We will go through each magical stage of the banana growing process, from nurturing young plants until they are fully grown, to carefully providing each ripe banana with the nutrients it needs. Discover the secrets and distinct farming techniques that allow us to experience the joys and challenges of being true gardeners. After planting the young shots into the soil, they are watered regularly so that the roots thrive. As the roots grow stronger, watering is gradually reduced. Did you know that grass cutting in a banana plantation is one of the crucial tasks that can significantly impact the crop's productivity? Trimming the grass not only keeps the banana plantation tidy but also helps prevent pests and insects. An open and grass-free area reduces the breeding grounds for pests, minimizing the risk of infections. So, step into this green and refreshing space and share the joy with the farmers as their banana trees thrive and yield sweet, delightful fruits. At the Deason family's banana farm, the banana production process is carried out professionally and systematically. The careful care of the plants begins with selecting suitable young trees, protecting them from pests, and providing meticulous fertilization. Unnecessary plants are removed to focus on high-potential follower plants. After about 9 months, the bananas ripen into a luscious hue, preparing for a careful harvesting process. Bagging the bananas helps shield them from insects and unpredictable weather conditions. Lastly, the pruning and nurturing of both parent and follower plants are done carefully to ensure sustainable growth. With these procedures, Deason's banana farm not only achieves high yields but also produces top-quality bananas that meet market demands. Cutting flowers from banana plants plays a crucial role and significantly affects the harvest yield. It is essential to cut the flowers correctly and carefully to ensure robust banana development. If you perform early flower cutting, you will harvest larger and tastier bananas. An important step is making clean cuts a few inches below the fruit club. This creates favorable conditions for banana growth and efficiently allows the plant to transfer energy to the fruit. Through precise flower cutting, banana plants improve their load-bearing capacity and provide better nutrition for subsequent fruit clusters. Now, let's join us in the most anticipated moments of today: banana harvesting. We are now at the heart of the harvest in Machala, Ecuador, where bananas are grown with love and care. The quantity of bananas here cannot be found anywhere else in the world. This South American country is the #1 banana exporter globally. Did you know that Ecuador exports 8 million boxes of bananas every week, equivalent to 416 million containers per year? These bananas are harvested from vast plantations stretching over 400 kilometers from the south to the north of the country. Harvesting, processing, and transporting these bananas demand careful and dedicated work. The banana harvesting process begins by cutting each bunch from the tree and placing them on cables. Then, these bunches are taken to processing plants where they are cleaned and packaged into high-quality banana boxes, ready for export worldwide. We have witnessed firsthand the heroic workers toiling in these fields. They care for each banana plant with dedication and precision. Each banana plant bears fruit only once and is then replaced by a new sucker plant. How do you feel about this impressive cable car transportation? Please leave your thoughts for us to know. Not just the fruit, but also from the banana plant stem, one can create unique handmade items. Let's explore with us how they can craft these amazing products. With many years of experience in the industry, Ibaca, Ecuador, has become one of the leading entities in producing and exporting high-quality banana fibers, not only within the country but also in the international market. They specialize in the procurement, selection, and processing of banana fibers, renowned for their durability, flexibility, and resilience, making them a valuable resource for various applications. Their team of experts ensures meticulous selection of the finest and strongest fibers, ensuring that the final products meet the strictest international standards. When woven together, fibers from banana plant stems create a strong and versatile raw material, widely used in various industries. Not limited to industrial applications, banana fibers also find their place in handmade and traditional products. Many handicrafts, such as bags, rugs, and hats, are crafted from natural banana fibers, adding a unique aesthetic and artistic value. Utilizing banana resources in a sustainable manner also helps protect the environment and ensures a continued supply for the future. Do you know what else can be made from these banana fibers? That's right, they can also be used to make paper. The remaining parts of the banana stem, after extracting the liquid, are dried completely and then used to produce handmade banana paper. This is the last leg of this journey. Do you like snacks? Have you ever wondered how to make delicious crispy fried bananas? At the Platanillo factory, the production process is meticulous and delicate. The bananas are carefully selected, cleaned, and sliced into thin, even pieces. They are then deep fried at precisely controlled temperatures, creating fried banana pieces that are golden, crispy, and naturally flavored. What sets Platino's apart is its commitment to use no preservatives or artificial colors, which ensures that each potato chip retains the natural flavor and nutrition of the banana. Their products are truly a fun and nutritious treat for the whole family. Not only serving the domestic demand, Platino's also exports its attractive fried bananas to the international market. The combination of top quality and great taste has earned them the trust of their customers and expanded their presence in the global market. Maybe I should rush to the store and grab some of these fried bananas right away. In a suburban bakery, the owner found a new machine called the Koenig KKM. It is a modern machine that can produce different types of bread in just a few minutes. Bakery owner Anna always wanted a tool to help her increase professionalism and productivity in the bread production process. When she learned about this wonderful machine, she did not hesitate to invest in it and improve the quality of her bread. Thanks to Kind KKM, Anna has been able to create amazing sandwiches like never before. Not only that, her work also becomes much easier and faster, being able to produce large quantities of bread quickly and efficiently. Her bakery became a favorite destination for many customers. Before your eyes, this is one of the fabulous creations of the Koenig Corporation, called the Multi-Purpose Integrated PU Oven. This is one of the unique products in baking today, designed for baking bread, muffins, pizza, and many other baked products. The Koenig PU Integral Oven can automatically adjust the cooking temperature and time to ensure uniform product quality. The machine can also change the humidity during cooking, making the product crispy and soft. The machine has an intelligent control system and can store different cooking programs to increase production efficiency and reduce the time to change cooking modes. Modern machines are crucial in helping the food processing industry develop and improve product quality. They increase production efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure food safety, significantly benefiting both businesses and consumers. Modern machines are crucial in helping the food processing industry develop and improve product quality. They increase production efficiency, reduce costs, and ensure food safety, significantly benefiting both businesses and consumers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to continue following the engine. Thank you. Have you ever seen a modern ketchup production line like this? The ketchup production process at the PSYO plant in 2015 began with selecting the freshest and best tomatoes from local farms. Once cleaned, only the highest quality tomatoes can pass rigorous factory testing to enter the first stage of ketchup production. They are then steamed and peeled. The seasoning process is also done on modern equipment to ensure accuracy and uniformity. The ketchup will be cooked in the steamer at the correct temperature and cooking time to ensure optimal consistency and flavor. PSYO Factory 2015 is one of the largest ketchup producers and is recognized as one of the best quality ketchup producers to date. Front Match Era Dual Robotic Saw is a high-tech equipment in the food industry. With the unique design, the machine can combine two industrial robots with the same controller so that the robot arms act as a single machine. The machine is designed for cutting and slicing meat with high precision, which increases production productivity and reduces labor costs. The features and performance of the ERA dual robotic saws have made Front Match one of the leading companies in manufacturing and supplying automated equipment in the food industry. Do you know what this machine is doing? The Autoline API 8 inkjet printer is a high-quality printing device in the food manufacturing and packaging industry. With this machine, printing and managing product information becomes more accessible, meeting the production needs of food businesses. Have you heard of Multivac Automation Solution? It is a multinational company specializing in the production and development of automation solutions in the food industry, especially in the field of packaging and handling. One of the packaging automation solutions of this famous corporation is the MAP Automatic Packaging System. This system allows the product to be air-packed with a customized gas composition to protect the product from oxidation, extend shelf life, and preserve the product's flavor and quality. This system works fully automatically, from putting the product on the conveyor, packing, sealing, and printing the batch number of the product. Packing parameters can be adjusted easily through the computer interface. With this production line, everything is easy. And here is the Multivac R685 Deep Draw Packaging Machine. It is an efficient and time-saving packaging solution for mass production businesses. With its new design, this packer can handle above-average wide-format plastic films, facilitating exceptional bulk production. With a capacity of up to 480 packs per minute, the ability to pack quickly and accurately, this machine can be used to pack a wide range of products, including meat, cheese, medical goods, sterile goods, industrial goods, and consumer goods. It provides professional packaging solutions for mass production businesses, saving time and productivity. Nura is one of the largest food producers in Norway, with the goal of producing eggs and meat throughout the country. To ensure the best quality and longevity of food, Nura uses Multivac semi-automatic packaging lines to pack whole chickens or uncut poultry. With this line, they can pack their products in a short time. It is the best packaging solution for large food manufacturing enterprises like Nura. If you want to stay updated and discover more about cutting-edge food equipment and technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, TD Farm, so you don't miss any videos. Thank you for accompanying us on our journey to discover the world of food technology. See you in the next videos.